Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit pastel green filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filters.
What you think when you push?
The preset download link in description. So let's start photo editing. I will paste tone curves from my editable photo.
Close the chapter where I'm ripping out my pages. Stop the fire under my skin. Oh, light the blaze again that stood alive for ages. Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on. Holding on to your lies. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. I'll carry on. I'll carry on. I'll carry on.
Original upload by CRAZY Editing. Don't re-upload the videos and presets.
Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness of myself. Hey, Mr. Bully, what you think when you push me out of my own head where everything made sense? Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on. Holding on to your lies. Where do you think you'll find me?
Now let's try to copy this preset for another photo.
carry on. Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're fighting for.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
I close the chapter where I'm ripping out my pages.